Hello, my name is Jonathan Quintanar, and I'm a 21-year-old college student with a crave for creativity. There was one night where I was laying in bed listening to a small West Coast band, and I was wondering to myself how these guys are able to record their vocals and instruments with such high quality sound. So I dug a bit deeper, and I found out about audio interfaces. So audio interfaces essentially take our voices and our whatever sound we record and input it into videos through our computers, and ultimately the end result is giving us high quality sound. So today we help with Native Instruments, which is a manufacturer of audio interfaces, as well with Prod Junkies, which is a very useful online blog that informs you on how to set up and utilize audio interfaces and other kind of audio equipment. So let's get started. And before we get started, let's actually enhance our sound a bit. So right now I'm connected to an audio interface. As you can tell, there's a lot of major differences right now. Like my voice is more solidified into the video, as well as the background buzz is completely gone. So essentially what's going on here with, as Trey Williams explains with Prod Junkies, is my voice is going into the microphone. The microphone consists of a diaphragm and a backplate. So my voice goes inside, it vibrates these two plates inside, making an electrical current. This electrical current goes through the wire and into the audio interface. And the audio interface has a analog to digital converter. So essentially what that's doing is changing the sound wave that's going into the audio interface and converting it into a digital format for the computer to be able to read. So essentially, the way that we record is also with XLR cables. So we have two types of cables that are mainly used in audio interfaces. We have the quarter-inch plug, and this is exactly what you would find mostly for all your microphones connections. And you also have your quarter-inch jacks, and these are a little bit more different. I like to refer to these as like guitar chords or bass chords. These usually go into instruments. You are able to use them for microphones if you have an adapter, but that's another topic. So after you have it all set up, or now that we know how it works, we're gonna figure out how to set it all up. So essentially, you will connect your XLR cables to your microphone, and then your microphone will connect them to the audio interface. So that's that. Number one is just connecting all your cords. The audio interface connects to your computer through via USB. Sometimes they connect through other methods, but normally now they are connected through USB. So after you set up your interface, you got it all connected in. You're gonna turn it on. Very simple. It's just the on and off switch on the back of the audio interface. Or for example, the one that I'm using right now, the audio interface actually just automatically turns on when it detects a source of power, which is the USB. After you get the USB connected and all everything powered on, you will set up a software. So a software would be something such as, for example, OBS Studios, which is mainly used for streaming and other video templates that require live streaming, as well as GarageBand or FL Studios, which are more musical inclined software. So after you set up your software, you're gonna actually format your software, which is really easy. Most times they're already formatted to actually connect automatically to these devices. So all it really ask you would be like if you want to actually connect to this device and format it that way. And after you do all that, all you're gonna do is just test your mic, check your levels, which is really just a little slide bar on the side of your audio levels. You'll see it just going green, yellow, or red, and you would just adjust your levels to whatever you would like, and you're all set up to go. So, lastly, I would like to just talk about the opportunities that your audio interface provides you. So, a lot of times, an audio interface is going to provide you with a lot of creativity aspects. For example, you can use it to make podcasts. I've seen a lot of people who have started podcasts, which is a single audio interface. I've personally have recorded music with audio interface. And lastly, I've seen people get into streaming. They just stream their video games and they use the software and the audio interface to just really expand into that category. So today we talked about what audio interface is, how to set it up, and how to use the audio interface to its full potential. So I hope that this helps you guys understand more about what an audio interface is, and maybe one day you would like to test it out yourself. So thank you for your time and have a wonderful day.